I have a new setup right now, so sorry for my hair because my hair is kind of really messy right now and I don't really know what to do about it. I slept on it way too much, way too long, and I'm kind of late for something, so let's get into it. So I actually wanted to try a little crazy orange outfit. I really want it to be bright, especially right now because it's like I want it to be fun and I want to share a fall season shade. So here is this beautiful outfit. So this one is actually the Jolly Chic outfit. I will link all the items below. I'm not sure if I could still find these pants because I actually got this in the Visoria and such a deal. It was super affordable. Like it was around what 100 or 80 pesos, and I bought a couple of them and I'm excited to style them all. This one is perfect for fall and I really want that orange vibe. So let's accessorize. Okay, now the easiest outfit I can come up with this. If you just want to go like really quick, not too much, I just have simple accessories of pearls there, as you can see that, and pearl earrings. That's not too crazy. But yeah, this one I like it on its own. It's already really, really crazy. So I am opting for a nice Mikana bag. I love this and it's such a nice color shade because I'm just wearing like my almost ballerina flats dupe. It's really, really soft. It's like Vivaia. I will link it also. It's more affordable, of course, but it's super comfy. So if you want to go to like a Friday out with drinks with girls, this is like super cute already. And you could go to work with this outfit too. It's very professional because the material here is super nice. So I would recommend it. So yeah, look at the first outfit. Now, one more thing that you could do with a fall outfit or very bright color outfit is to keep things neutral. I got this one, my Himalayan dupe, and I love it with this beautiful nude heels just because you don't want to go crazy anymore. And if you just want to act very businessy or you want to go to the mall, like a very casual brunch, this is super nice with some nice heels that are beautiful. This one is from Payless. It's one of the best shoes I have, and I could never give up on this heels because it's super comfy. Well, comfortable enough with the heels, but it's still super nice. So I would recommend it. Such a nice kind of, everyday kind of nude. And plus, keeping yourself with a nude heel is important because you have nude heels. It's classy, it's easy to pair with everything. Plus, it makes your legs really, really long. Now, if you want to highlight your outfit way more and just make it as the star, nothing cautious about it, but also you didn't know this. Have you noticed this shirt part design here? It's really, really nice because it really adds a bit more, what do you call that? A bit more shape to it because of the illusion, plus a nice dark bag for fall season. And since I'm not really in the fall months, like I can't really feel the cool air, but just has that kind of vibe, I'm just wearing for a nice wedge. It's light, I don't have a problem with it. If ever I want to go out that is really, really far, if I want to walk miles, this is one of the best shoes I can recommend to you guys. And yeah, it's such a nice outfit. Now, if you want to break this down a bit more and turn it a bit more casual, which is what I'm doing here with this beautiful Velo Sambas, I am going to put on a nice muted jacket just to tone it down, It doesn't nothing too crazy. This is, by the way, from Uniqlo. I love this jacket. This is super nice, and it just crops there. So it's not too short. It doesn't make your legs too short, and it doesn't make your torsos too long because it's just like the perfect crop. You could have it more cropped, like it's until here. You can have a jacket like that. It would be really good. But this one, I want it to be more simple, just because I want to tone down the orange to it, and of course just this beautiful jacket. And the highlight of my hair is already a highlight, so it's not really an issue. And with this chill outfit, I tend to go for up for white, just because it's easy to bring with all the colors all over your face. But this one, yeah, I could recommend this one. I would really like this. This one is just a dupe of the Louis Vuitton Speedy, but I love this. This is like something that I could never give up on, just because it's such an easy go-to bag. I can just have it like this. I can have it much shorter, but actually like this a bit longer, just like crossbody or really long crossbody. And it's just very comfortable and chill, like going on a maybe rainy season, just good with these shoes. And yeah. Now, for Mondays, I really want something that's like very chic, very layered, but not like too much that is going to go out of the outfit already. I just want to tone it down, just because on Mondays you want to be very bright and strong, but still, looking fashionable. And this one, I actually prefer this not iron, just because I usually wear this with like my clean styled outfits, just to add a bit of texture to it. Plus, the whole messy vibe just feels so like nonchalant Monday. And the best part of this is it's still very comfortable, just because I have this beautiful heels right here. I still try to find ones that are like this, because this is from Parisian. I got this on a best deal, just because it was affordable. It was just like 1,000, and it's very comfy. It's like one of those best kind of fits of an outfit or a shoe that fits go everything. And it's such a very fall color that I would recommend. Just wear a bag on it, just like not too much, just a nice green, just to break it down, not too much, but it's still elegant. It's still very flowy and chic, and honestly, it's a great Monday